Yep.
So you can see both of our screens. We were going to go live, but then they needed our location.
We are children.
I'm not doing that because it's sketchy.
We are children. And it said I needed like a webcam. I do have a computer, but I don't feel like doing that. So do you want to build the same boat? Wait, where did I get a parachute? I have a parachute. Where did I get it? Okay, real quick, guys. Instead of building right now, I'm going to spawn something. I need to figure out which one this one is because I have multiple things.
I'm gonna build it. It's gonna take a while.
What is this? I can't find something that is the correct one. I'm sorry, guys. Half ois? What? Oh no, I'm not doing half ois. No, not this, not this. I can't.
Please move this. I'm trying to build.
It won't let me, it won't let me. I just gotta wait for all of it to load.
So this is gonna take a while.
Yeah.
Can you not do this though?
Yeah, I'm not gonna do this. I did it by accident. No, it's still loading.
One question, can we actually build?
You can. For the first round, I'm just going... I still can't.
I may do the first round for what she's doing, so I'm gonna...
Yeah, we're just going to spawn our boats. Okay, I got... It's still going. Hang on, we can't go yet. Actually, I could use this as an advantage. So what do I want to do? I'm going to do my teddy bear build. Oh my god, this original build is still loading. I'm so sorry, guys. It won't stop loading. Okay, now can I don't know if I should do my teddy bear or cat. I'm going with teddy bear. Oh.
Wait, I have one question.
What?
Freddy, is that you?
It's not Freddy Fazbear.
It looks like Freddy Fazbear.
It doesn't have a top hat. Or a bow tie.
Yeah, but it still can look like Freddy Fazbear.
True. Let me just... I'm going to the safest spot.
But guys, can we agree that it looks like Freddy Fazbear just without the top hat and bow tie?
He has no arms. I gave him a tail, but he has no arms. Sorry guys, I kind of ripped the arms off him because he is very bully. Oh, by the way, I'm not sure if I did, but I think okay, one time she let me on her account because she forgot to log out when she went to my house one time, and I think I got her a plushie. Check if I got you the plushie that's a skeleton with wings.
Nope, you didn't get me a plushie.
Oh. Yeah, I can...
Actually, yes, you did.
That's my favorite plushie. And I have it.
It's so cute.
It's kind of difficult to get because you gotta wait like an hour or so. Whatever, I don't care if the bear's arms are even. Okay, this is
But it's literally so cute. I just need a chair.
okay. But once you get your chair, do not launch. I need to give this bear arms, and then I need to save it.
Don't know why I'm bringing this up, but Cat has not showed her face. Except one video which didn't really get views.
And if you saw my face in any of the videos, I did not mean to show my face.
Okay, I'm not ready yet.
Neither am I. We have a lot of things in common, like we're both not ready right now.
Yes.
How do I, oh, sorry, I keep pointing the screen. So, Melody has bad quality stuff, and I am not good at pointing my camera at stuff good.
I have good quality stuff.
Well, you do. It just makes the screen very small.
Yeah, because I play on mobile.
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready?
Not yet. I just got. Don't do it yet. I'm making a little heart on my teddy bear build, and I gotta like paint it pink and other stuff. Like save it.
Oh, I have a good one for a boat.
What?
We should make a Pride Month boat.
That's so smart.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Well, she's right. She's gonna be right back. Someday. Maybe. Unless she just left me here to die. That's fine. At least I know I had a friend. Maybe I still do. I just don't know.
I'm back.
Okay. Let me paint my thing.
I'm not done yet.
Okay, I just finished.
I'm doing the thing that I think we've all done before.
What is it?
It's where you put stuff in front of your boat.
Yeah. I really like my little teddy bear. Am I able to? Oh, and I forgot, I'm able to go in the head. Personally, I think the body is the safest in this chair, but okay. We are going. Took 8 minutes
You're
just.
so much faster than me.
Took 8 minutes to get everything ready. We are not good YouTubers.
I don't know if I said this, but we're both filming, so we're both going to post it so you can see both of our screens. We might start doing that.
And one person might have to delete their recording. And my phone keeps getting unplugged.
One person won't have to delete their recording unless we did too much for 24 hours.
Yeah.
So my screen is small. Her screen should be bigger.
Yeah.
So if you guys want a small screen, you can check out mine. If you want a big screen, you can check out Cat's.
By the way, here's my 2 plushies. There's my favorite one with the wings, and then this cute little noob one.
So
I don't
like
have all of
I said,
them.
Cat has not done a face reveal or a name.
I might have,
She probably will never do the name one.
and and I might have accidentally revealed my face on some. If I did, make sure to comment what videos.
Yeah, we're gonna delete them unless they're really good.
Well, if you can comment, because a lot of these you can't.
Cat,
What?
you know those shorts I made?
Yeah?
My home screen and the shorts I made shows your face.
Oh. Well, that's fine, because that was when I was a kindergartner. And I'm going in 3rd grade.
She still looks the same, but she just dresses differently, acts differently, kind of. And she's older.
I try to be a lot more funny, but I turn out to just annoy myself. But it doesn't take a lot to annoy me, because my brother has made it so easy to annoy me. By the way, go subscribe to him. He's Mr. Guacamoles.
I unfriended him on Roblox since he doesn't play it anymore.
I'm not gonna unfriend him. Because a while ago he said if I pay him $10, he'll race me in Tower of Hell. Which I'm not good at Tower of Hell. I thought I was. I'm not.
And I made her a 4-star to play it with. Your bear has arms.
Yeah, I just added them. And I might get paper and try to make a little deer mask thing. Trying to match this deer mask in Roblox, because this is my signature mask. So I don't have to show my face.
You might have said this before we deleted the footage. If you ever meet us in real life or in a game, say, "Hi, rat."
Don't say hi, rat. Just greet me as like a squirrel. Just greet me and just say, "Hey, hello, fellow squirrel," and make sure to mention our YouTube channel if you ever see me. If you know how I look.
To me, or just say, "Hi, rat." But mention something about YouTube.
Yeah. So we know what you mean and that you're not. Honestly, I don't care if you're bullying us. I just care if you bully my family.
Yeah, same. And guys, we already know we're cringy.
Yeah, we admit it.
5 times, but we already know we're cringy. Or we'll say, hi, cringiness.
Oh yeah. Cringina.
Something about
My new name will be Cringina. Because I'm very cringe.
okay, or call us, idiots, which is even dumber than idiots. We will accept that.
We also go by idiots, which is idiots with the I in the wrong place. So yeah.
Okay, guys. So just say something mean to us and mention something about it.
Yeah. Just call me a squirrel or something. I like squirrels.
Okay, just say to us, like, any animal. Say, like, hi, fellow deer. Just say, hi, fellow any animal.
Oh, no, my mask! Great, now the game's gonna make me get COVID. Great. These crocodiles are going to... Oh my god, the crocodiles... Okay, sorry guys, I gotta reach for my charger that fell. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna survive. Because I don't even have a chair. I don't have legs.
Do you want to end it here?
Just because you died doesn't mean I'm ending it.
Because it's almost 20 minutes. That's what I mean.
How? Mine is 15.
Mine is As you know, guys, Cat is clearly better than me at this game.
Yeah. And I have a lot of tools.
You're not the one that showed me it.
Yeah, I'm not the one who showed you it.
One of my friends on Roblox was playing it, and I'm like, I'll just join them.
I think Potato showed me. By the way, my friend Potato on Roblox, his name is Aiden. He's my friend in real life. So we kind of made a club. He did the bacons, and we did the strawberry cows. He declared war on us, and yeah. The only bad bacons are the bacons on his club. So make sure not to join Potato 2012's club.
But our first army was the Moma army.
Yeah. That people mistake for Mama, but that's fine. Mama. Moma the mama. No, I fell at the end.
Do you want to end the video?
Yeah, sure. Let me just claim my stuff. I like how half the time, and for like 2 minutes, you were just like, do you want to end the video? Do you want to end the video?
Because I only asked 2 times.
I do not care.
I'm only asking because 20 minutes I feel like nobody would watch.
Exactly. Oh, now I wanna. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna show something on video. I'm just gonna go here. So, look how many masks and different types of masks I have. I ain't gonna get coronavirus in Roblox. And coronavirus is not something to joke about, though. Coronavirus is serious and dangerous.
I still do jokes around. Okay.
Well, it's fun to do jokes around it, but not actual jokes like coronavirus isn't deadly, because it really is. How about ask the more than 50,000 people who died from it? Ask them. You can't.
There's still like half of the people on the universe.
Yeah.
So it's not that bad.
Yeah.
So Kat said there might be like vaccines in September. Okay.
Yeah, and I might get the vaccine, which will be good.
So I found a life hack. If you ever get like a needle in like a shot, cough before it happens. I don't know if it actually works. I'm just gonna check.
And apparently the vaccine hurts less than the flu shot.
Okay, so the flu isn't that bad. Most people don't have it.
But a lot of people still die from it.
I've met nobody that has ever had the flu.
I've never met someone that have died from it because they died. I'm sorry if that sounds mean to people who died from the flu. It's not supposed to be.
Kat, do you want to end this? It's almost 20 minutes.
Okay, 1 second. Let's just go back and build a boat for treasure and do an outro.
This is literally me or Kat. We don't want to play a game, but when we play it, we like it.
By the way, if I'm randomly on your friends list or something and you unfriend me, that's perfectly fine. Honestly, I don't like having people on my friends list because, yeah, okay. I'm on yellow team. Let's do an outro.
Go to blue team.
Okay. Sorry if my screen was weird the whole time, guys.
That's the literal sound I have.
Wait, I think I did. Oh, wait, no. Wait, hang on. Not yet. I messed something up.
Okay, so me and Kat have like the same outfit, the fox mask with these. Okay, with these clothes I have. What is your group code? Because this like hoodie type thing is from her and her brother's group.
Here, I'm just gonna change my character back real fast.
What is your group code?
Let me go to my profile real fast. It doesn't have a lot of members. Cats and Dogs Studios. Just so you know, you have to go to my profile to find it. But my username is catgirl9936. Please do not friend me.
So go and join. Is it Cats and Dogs?
Cats and Dogs. I literally just forgot. It's Cats and Dogs Studios. Cats and Dogs Studios.
So are you in the game?
Not yet, I'm sorry.
This has taken us like 2 minutes to figure this stuff out.
No, it's taken us about 5 or something.
Only 2.
Oh, okay. Well, for me, it's 22 minutes on mine. No one's gonna watch this.
Who cares? Potato, potato.
Tomato, tomato.
And guys, go and check out shorts. They're
And she only makes, little,
I don't
sorry guys.
only make dancing.
Well, you barely make, like, Roblox ones. Okay. Bye, guys.
Random stuff.
Yeah.
What
Bye.
is that? What is that thing that it's called to wait? What is it called? Cat.
What?
What is the wave thing called?
Well, you can't do this one because it costs Robux, but it's /E wave. But this one is /E high wave.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Hope you have a great day, and this video was 23 minutes and 35 seconds.
24 minutes for me and like 24 minutes, so bye.